this is Lisha Batta and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to try out this charcoal bubble mask which I recently received from a website called Coricart. So basically, if you remember, I had done this huge Nykaa and Amazon haul where I also showed you my PR packages. So I received this really cool product by Plan 36.5. Let me show you what the product looks like. So this is what the mask looks like. It's a plant cell charcoal O2 bubble mask and it's from a brand called Plan 36.5. So a bit more about the brand. So this brand is a bit new to me as well. I hadn't heard about it before. So as per Coricart, it's a premium South Korean skincare brand which focuses on natural extracts. So sounds quite promising. And let me get into the product claims as well. So as per Coricart, this mask contains tea and soybean that are beneficial for the skin. Properties of oxygen mask, clay mask and a bubble mask. Wow, okay. Gives radiant and beautiful skin, blessed with natural extracts that replenish and rejuvenate the skin, gently exfoliates the skin and removes unwanted impurities. That is exactly what I'm looking for, because if you can tell, my skin is kind of breaking out and I think I have clogged pores. So I definitely need to try this out. And it says it makes the skin elastic and firm. So now, since this is a clay-based mask as well, I have dry skin, so it might dry out my skin a bit. And I also want to get into the benefits of charcoal. Now, charcoal has recently been considered this wonder ingredient in beauty products, because charcoal apparently, attracts out all the impurities from your skin. And it's supposed to be a very good ingredient at exfoliating your skin and removing dead skin cells. So I'm expecting a lot of good things from this mask. So the price of this mask is rupees 1200 and I could not find the quantity anywhere. It's not mentioned on the website, it's not mentioned on the packaging itself, which is a bit weird, but of course it mentions all the manufacturing date and the manufacturing company and all of those other details. But I want to know what's the quantity of this mask. Besides that, you actually get it on offer on Coricart. I've seen this available on Nykaa and Amazon as well. I'll be linking everything down below. But currently this is on offer on Coricart. So if you're interested, you can check it out there. Now coming to the packaging, it comes in this cardboard black and silver packaging. I quite like it. It looks very luxurious and I love the color scheme. So the actual product looks like this. Again, very similar scheme, and it comes with a pump dispenser, which I love. I absolutely love skincare products which come with a pump dispenser for easy usage. So I really prefer this because it keeps the product safe and hygienic. Now coming to the packaging, I've tried this once when I got this product recently and the pump refused to work. No matter how much I tried to dispense, the product just wasn't coming out. So ultimately I had to open up the pump and take out some product to use it, just to see what the issue is, if there's an issue with the pump mechanism. Since I did receive this as a PR sample, I didn't want to go back to the brand and be like, you've sent me a faulty product, send me a replacement. But I did go through a lot of reviews to make sure this is a one-off incident. Now, I can't really take the guarantee that this is a one-off incident, but whatever videos that I've seen, all of them have perfectly working condition pumps, but I did not. Now, the way I used it the first time was I had to just remove it physically from the packaging itself, because I was really excited to give it a try. And today when I was trying to, take like close-up pictures and some videos of it, I realized it's been leaking while it was sitting in my dresser. So that is a bit of a concern. Had I bought this from a website, I would have definitely asked for a replacement or maybe a refund. But I really hope this is a one-off incident. Now coming to the product itself, let's see if it's going to dispense now or not. Okay, as you can see, it's not dispensing any product for me. Even if I do it this way, it's just not coming out. All you can see are bubbles. So it is not dispensing any product whatsoever. Is this review going to end before it even starts? Because I'm not even getting the product. So the last time how it worked was once I put the pump back, this is how it came out. Can you see? It works so much better like this. So in case your pump is also not working, just put it upside down and it's gonna dispense. So this is what the texture looks like. It has a nice gel-like consistency. It is grey-black in color and it's a bit runny. So I'm going to apply this on my face with my fingers itself. But first, let me tie up my hair and get started. So it smells quite nice as well, not too strong, something that would irritate you. I have a sensitive nose, so I'm quite careful about these things. So as soon as I put it on, it's already bubbling.
Wait for me to put it on, don't bubble so quickly. Wow. This is so cool!
I think I need to work a little quicker.
Works so much better if I put it like that.
So this is what the mask looks like. As soon as I put it on, it started bubbling and it feels so crazy. I love it. I'm so glad I'm trying this out on camera with you, and actually I can feel the bubbles popping on my skin. So once the mask starts bubbling, you're supposed to wet your hands and start massaging it in. So let me wet my hands and get this started. Okay, so my hands are wet and it's bubbled quite a bit. So now I'm just going to start massaging it in. Woo. I love the sensation. Let me wet my hands a bit more. So once your hands are adequately wet, it starts lathering up quite well. Wow, this is so weird. I'm not used to a mask lathering up, but that's the whole point of a bubble mask. So now I think I've massaged it quite a bit, so I'm going to go off camera and wash my face and come back. Okay guys, so I'm back after washing my face, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but my skin definitely looks a bit brighter. I feel it is looking refreshed and it's super soft to touch. I love it. It feels so good. But I must say I'm quite impressed with the results, and I see myself using this more often. I'm just going to hydrate my face a bit because it does feel a bit stretchy. So overall, I really enjoyed the mask. I would say it's quite a fun experience applying a gel-based product which turns into bubble. I quite enjoyed that bit, but it does have an issue with the pump dispenser, which is so not done considering this does cost 1200 rupees. Now again, the price point is also very subjective. For some, it could be very affordable. Like for me, I love using TVS masks and they cost about 2200 rupees. And Korean skincare does tend to be a bit steep. So I find the pricing quite decent, but I do wish there was no issue with the packaging. I'm going to assume this is a one-off incident and other people haven't faced this issue, and if that is the case, then I think this is a great product, totally worth buying. But if this is an issue across the board, then definitely needs to be skipped. I guess the only way to find out is to purchase the product if you're interested and raise the concern with your website, whichever website you're buying it off from, in case you do receive a faulty product. Overall, I had a great experience using this mask, and I am going to use this more often, even if I have to use it upside down, which I can make it work. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, comment down below and let me know you want to see more similar videos, be it with skincare or makeup products. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You can also check out some of my other videos like this huge haul where I show you some of my video equipment as well, and this beginner's makeup tutorial which I've really simplified for anyone to do their makeup at home.